Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area.
Deploying drone.
We've got enemy activity. Marking position now. Placing a mine for our Sicario friends.
Yo, I'm placing a mine.
Yo, Q2, where's your mic? Got a mic?
Of course I got a mic, bro. People say there's a problem with mic. Sounds like I don't know.
Guys have a drone in the air.
Damn,
I'm
you
placing a
got
mine
two
right here.
drones.
Sorry?
I'm planting a mine here.
Alright, I'm gonna try moving. I'm moving in the building. Pick me up, drone. Say the word. No!
He's in the tower. What the fuck is happening? What the hell?
Grenade! Grenade!
They got an enemy drone in the air.
They got me pinned down.
Recon tower is back online.
And I...
Enemy drone overhead.
Oh my god, what a bitch.
The enemy's gathering intel on us. The enemy has our position. Get moving. All friendlies down. Objective is lost. Picking up a signal from the recon tower. It'll be active soon.
What a bitch, man. Seriously?
Kim does
Yeah,
that
like-
guy quit.
Yeah, I know. What a bitch.
All white
Not
brick
cool.
cheats. He tried to lag. He lagged out. Fucking frozen. Trying to lag. He lagged himself out. Fucking
what?
bitch.
¿Ustedes nunca pasado por algo así?
Oh, Black Moon. Damn. Yo, Q2, you Monkey and Black Moon or whatever. OT. You guys wanna make a squad or something?
You get off after.
drone overhead.
Dropped him.
Rogue.
Quit crying.
Hostiles are going loud.
Grenade, watch out.
Heads up. Got enemy activity.
The only one left.
Got enemy activity. Marking position now. Enemy drone. Watch it.
The enemy team has our HVT.
They got me marked. Enemies lost.
The enemy team has our HVT.
Got enemy activity. Marking position now.
That
One
tango's
hostile
done.
remaining. Let's get this done.
Hostiles lost visual.
The enemy has extracted the target. We lost this one. Extract the HVT from the enemy base.
Enemy drone overhead. Got enemy activity.
Under heavy fire! Tango down.
Taking fire.
Shit, man down.
Taking fire, taking
Got enemy
fire.
activity. Got enemy activity. Marking position now. Enemy drone airborne. That's a kill. They've got a fix on me.
I got you.
Broke visual with the enemy. Frag out. Lobbing a flashbang. Heads up. We've got enemy activity. Tango down. We've got enemy activity. Marking position now.
Well done. Target is safe and sound.
Gotti.
Good job, bro. Very good job.
Thank you, thank you.
Protect the HVT at all costs. Deploying drone. Yo, I'm planting a mine. Let me place a mine over here.
Enemy drone overhead. Hostiles are going around. We've got enemy activity. Marking position now. Demo's primed and in place. Demo's primed.
Got it. Shit, taking fire.
Enemy drone airborne. Heads up. We got enemy activity.
Tango down. Frag out. Grenade, grenade. Grenade, watch out. All friendlies down. Objective is lost.
Yes, please. Puta madre.
Cheers.
Just one. Two, maybe, I don't know. Let's see if I can find a picture of her. Oh yeah, there's... Cut that laugh at. This bitch is crazy, man. Can't believe she wants my dick.
Serve it up. No, si está cabrón, güey.
See, that's good. I feel like he would do some stupid shit like that. Like kill us both or something.
Mm-hmm.
God, pero si de verdad, she probably would give me a... Fuck, she would probably give me some bomb-ass head.
Y tú sabes que big chicks son... You give that shit to me.
Che vieja, no mames.
Get to a transmitter and start that broadcast. The drone is airborne.
I don't even know why she likes me, man. Está caliente, fella, man. It's a sunny day in fucking Wildlands.
The SWAT guy wasn't that cheater?
No. TBC. Cheater. I know his dumb ass is probably in here. Yep.
Yeah, he's in there.
I'm planting a mine here.
You can shoot through that, you know?
Where? Through where? That wall? Oh, shit. Ooh. I was fixing my mic when that fucker did that shit.
Got him.
Dude, pop your head out again, puto. Oh. Time that shit. Cause I noticed your time you shot. He poked. Vámonos, güey.
Esa mierda, cómo me gustaría matar a esa putada.
He's on survival mode, ¿dónde está ese puto? What the heck's gonna pop up?
Watch out for the flashbang.
Transmitter active. Defend the broadcast.
No salió, güey.
Nah, he's not gonna do anything. He's just gonna hide. Se va a esconder como pinche. Oh shit, he picked up.
How come I can't? Fuck, I hate when you can't jump over these fences, bro.
Grenade! Move!
Where the hell are you going? Get back to your team.
I'm pinned down over here!
One hostile remaining.
Oh,
Get this done.
nah, you're almost fucking me
Where
up.
the hell are you
Yeah, he's
going?
right
Get
there.
back to your
Good thing. Running down.
Where?
Frag out.
Yeah, he's in there.
Take your fire.
Ah! Fucking pick up.
That's fine. Just can't do shit anyway.
Really, bro?
Transmission complete. Our mission.
Did you get the picture, Way?
Let me see, hold on.
That's her and her vato, Way. And that was, I was there that whole day with her.
Transmitters at all costs.
Mm-hmm.
When because it was our opening day for her salon. And,
Yeah, she's cool. Dos por tres.
yeah, no, she's cute, Way, nomás que. Yeah.
Cabrón.
That fool's like psycho.
Psychomatic. Yeah, nobody on the hill, huh? Ooh, somebody got trapped.
Watch for the flashbang. Here we go, frag out.
Salam alaikum. Allah.
Frag out.
That's weird. We just need to stay back. They have to do their shit. We don't. We don't have to do shit. No, ya valió verga.
Do you have a heart snipe on that?
No.
Now you're guessing.
Oh, fuck, I guessed it.
You got it, fool.
Allah, verga. No mames, güey.
Ooh. Ah. Los angels de garro.
Who the fuck voted for me?
They're trying to kick you off.
I have the most points. Oh, no, I don't.
Let's try me.
I bet you it was Salam Alaikum over here.
Was it you selecting Mickham?
It's always gotta be some fucking Indian doing stupid shit like that. Let's kick the last guy alive because he's a fucking sniper. And I died. Fucking idiots. It's like, that's how I know I'm a much more smarter individual than you are, because you're stupid.
Poker, you got offended because you got to vote. They voted you kick.
Yeah, wait, that's stupid. Like, I don't understand why you would want to kick somebody just because they're the last man alive. Like, how fucking dumb do you have to be to make a decision like that? Oh, let me fucking do it.
Oh, nice.
Hey, wait. Oh, I see his bitch ass. Right in the window. Yeah.
Wait, let me place a mine.
It's right behind the rock. Still.
Ooh.
Fuck, I missed his ass.
He's suppressed, you can push.
Hostile down.
Hey, get ready one, bro. Got you. That's okay, sniper? Okay.
Hey, sniper, we have one up here.
Guys, I'm placing a mine.
With me.
Oh,
He's fucking moving around slowly. I don't see him.
I hit his ass. He's coming towards you. He's hurt, yeah. I saw his little...
Otro.
Hey, get that shit, bro.
Fuck, man.
How you do? Sniper, what are you doing, bro? Help.
They're both up there. Yeah.
Oh. The other one's creeping up on us, probably.
No, he's up there with them. Told you.
Oh, that's right, that's right. Yo voy a levantarte, güey. Keep an eye on that.
Don't. Just watch the radio. You got 50 seconds.
Well, they're taking the scenic route. Oh, I fucking hit his ass.
Hey, should we kick the assassin? He's just sitting there doing nothing. Exactly, huh? Exactly, motherfucker.
That's not me trying to kick you, fool. That's the other dude.
Oh, get laid out, punk. I'll pick you up anyways, puto. Dude. No, he's like, no, don't kick me.
Man, you a fool. The other dude kicked you out.
Yeah, but why? Why?
You know,
why?
You don't lie. You don't lie. You know lie. You better not lie. We don't like liars.
Oh, man. Let's
Let's
kick the fucking stalker because he's the last guy alive.
When he put somebody to kick, you will see his name, fool. Easy beasy.
Hey, fool.
There. Mirror mark, please. I'm pretty sure 3 of them is gonna snipe it. Feel good about them.
I bet you said what?
I bet 3 of them is gonna go snipe.
Hunt down and eliminate
Oh yeah, for sure.
Enemy drone airborne. We've got enemy activity. Marking position now.
Deploying drone.
There's one in here.
Heads up. We've got enemy activity.
Taking fire, taking fire.
We've got enemy activity. Marking position now. Hostiles are going
Shit, I'm
loud.
pinned down.
Picking up a signal from
Wow.
the recon tower.
Throwing a flashbang.
They got me
Got
pinned
enemy
down.
activity. Marking position now. Okay, throwing a flashbang.
Tango down.
Up.
Bad guys have a drone in the air. Taking fire.
Recon tower is back online.
Target eliminated.
Heads up. Mike. Guys, I'm placing a mine.
I think there's one down there by you, SWAT.
Watch it, they've got a drone looking for us. Pinned down here.
Under heavy fire. Target down.
Yep, I'm placing a mine.
Fucking lame.
Yeah, shit.
We got an enemy drone in the air. That's one less bad guy. Let me place a 9 over here.
hostile remaining. Let's get this done. Frag out, heads up.
Probably waiting for his mortar. Good shit.
Enemy forces neutralized.
Nice.
Great job.
Oh, fuck with me with sniping, huh? Gotcha.
Hunt down and eliminate hostile forces in the area. Where the hell are you going? Get back to your team. I'm pinned down over here.
Tango down.
He up there.
Enemy drone. Watch.
Picking up a signal from the
Frag out,
recon
frag
tower.
out.
It'll be active
Taking
soon.
fire, I'm
Hostiles lost
fucked!
Where the hell are you going? Get back to your
Here we
team.
go. Frag out.
Throwing a flashbang.
Taking fire, taking fire!
Oh, damn, okay.
I'm on mortar it once it's ready.
Shit, I'm pinned! Taking fire!
Recon tower is back online.
Enemy drone overhead.
Shit. I don't know where this ranger went. Oh, he's